Hey, welcome to NitroRCX.com. Today we're looking at the Iron Track. It's an A-scale, electric-powered short course truck, long wheelbase. This version is sold as almost ready to run, which means that it is fully assembled out the box. Comes with the brushless speed controller, brushless motor, comes with the servo, everything installed. However, you do need your own radio system. Now the truck itself, it is 8 scale. It's a very large truck, 17mm off-road wheels and tires. Check out these super sticky off-road tires. And you have the 17mm hex wheels, which is a standard for 1/8 scale if you do want to switch to other wheels and tires in the future. Polycarbonate body shell in a neon green and black paint scheme. Robust bumpers front and rear. Let's remove the shell and show you guys the interior of this vehicle. So the chassis itself and the rest of the truck is an aluminum and composite plastic construction. You have aluminum shock towers and of course an aluminum chassis. You'll notice that the aluminum motor mount is very rigid, solid one piece, and there's lots of room to mount a larger motor. You have gear differentials, front, center, and rear, and they're metal gears. You have a steering servo up front with an integrated servo saver to save that servo if you do happen to run across rough terrain or lightly tap some obstacles. You have a receiver box in here that houses your 2.4 gigahertz receiver. Remember guys, this is almost ready to run, so you do need to supply your own receiver system. The brushless 100 amp speed controller is waterproof, which houses a brushless motor. Now if you look at the battery compartment, very sufficient room to mount a battery. You're going to be running this on a 2-cell or 3-cell. The ESC takes up to 4-cell, however this motor is rated at 3-cell. You have big bore shocks front and rear with threaded adjustable collars. They are oil filled so you can tune the suspension to your liking. Fully adjustable front and rear tie rods so you can adjust camber and toe. And you can also adjust the shock positions and moving them in or out for linear or progressive shock travel. Back to the bumpers, robust bumpers front and rear. You have bumper braces. Let's take a bottom look at that chassis. So this Iron Truck is a hobby grade vehicle. It is fully upgradable. You can change out the servo. You can change out this 36mm diameter motor, and it also has ball bearings throughout. Please click like, subscribe to Nitro RCX, and stay tuned for more awesome products. Catch you guys next time.